Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Ponsler. Well, about 10 or so days ago, there was a leak coming in from the central AC and heat of my apartment, and it spilled quite a bit of water to an area of the living room nearby the kitchen that you see to your left and the bedroom right in front of you. So it's taken a while to get it all dry, because if I would have stomped my feet within this area, water would be seeping through this very soaked floor. But now it's drying up thanks to a couple of fans that I've put in, and more importantly, I rented one from the office of my apartment complex, and that's this nice and heavy duty blower. It'll get it done much sooner. Just to give an idea how strong it is, we're going to crank this up from 1, that's the setting now, to 3. And then we can create some strong wind effects too. So you see those items right there? Now let's put some wind to them. Now we're creating a windstorm within this apartment. Or even better, let's take it to another area. Looking into the kitchen, and watch how the papers are flying off. The flags are whipping pretty well. And we'll bring it into the birthday balloons that I've used earlier this year. So there you have it. We created a strong windstorm without leaving the apartment. Thanks for watching this edition of CPWN. Clarence Ponsler saying, have a great day or evening if it is nighttime. And make sure to tie down those loose objects when windstorms occur. Goodbye.